Clowns to the left of me.
Jokers to the right.
Here I am, stuck in the middle with you.
I think this will do fine.
Stuck in the Middle with You is a 1973 song by a Scottish band called Steelers Wheel. The lyrics of the song were the inspiration for the name of the latest cache. I'll have to show you what it is first. Did you spot that? Well, maybe you've spotted that on one leg there's the stylized logo of a clown's hat and nose, and on the other leg, the right one, there's a stylized hat of a joker. I chose the clowns/jokers because it's bilingual here in Montreal. Clowns in French or English and jokers, all the same thing. Yeah, this concrete structure originally had two legs, and the one in the middle, the one we're stuck in, is the cache. That wasn't there before. So you're following me, right? So that central pillar's base is a replica of the two other bases. Weather-worn, broken, cracked, 16 by 16 inches, 4 inches deep. That is 70 pounds. If you add the central ring, which is supposed to be a cast iron, that would be 70 pounds. But we put a bit of styrofoam within the mold before pouring the concrete. And then once that was done, we smashed the crap out of it. We hammered it, chipped it, made it look like it's 100 years old, and then painted the ring rust-colored, used sand along with the different coatings of paint, and even added some dripping rust along the base of the concrete. And then I just dug out that 16 by 16 hole, dropped the concrete in. Also inset in that central ring are two magnets. Those latch on to the bottom of the pillar, the pipe, what should be a metal pipe, but which is really ABS. This is our backup. This is the replacement for that other pipe if it gets lost. And also, I've refined my painting techniques, and this will be a better copy. And that was what was in there. Now, we've got this. And that's it.